It was so nice talking to you.
Yeah, girl, I'll be seeing you around.
Let me get your number.
Okay. Here you go.
I'll be calling you.
Oh, okay. We talk to you soon. How do you politely tell someone no when they ask you for your number? And I don't mean like the creepy guys when you go out to the club like, yo, mom, let me get your number. You're like, they don't know. But like the people who are actually like genuinely nice and you seem like you can build like a connection with them, but if you're anything like me, you just don't like people. And you're not too fond of making friends. Like, how do you tell somebody no? Like, how? Because I really just be like, no, thank you. I don't want you to have my number because I don't really want to talk to you. And then it's like, I try to be like, okay, what lie can I tell them? When I can't tell somebody a lie when they legit see me on my phone and talking on my phone and on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Like, for me to be like, oh no, my phone is out of service. I'm only on Wi-Fi, but I just answered a call. Like, how? I need to know. Who has the answers for me? Because I wish at that point, after I gave you my number, that there's a way I can get back in your phone and delete my number so you don't call me. And then, yeah, sometimes you can ignore people calls and stuff and they'll get the hint. But then the next time they see you, it's just so much animosity that I don't have the patience for. So please, if you have a nice way or a suggestion to politely tell someone you don't want them to have your number, let me know. Because I don't have a way. Because I just want to be like, hell no, you can't have it. But thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see and like what you hear, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time. Hey, get it. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.